summer so far away. It can take a long time, but suddenly it's here. Countdown to the new year. The last seconds, and then it's here. A new year, a new beginning, with new opportunities to make something of it. The past is behind us, and the future is smiling. Let's make something of it, of the new year. Even if the past wasn't so good, January 1st is always a new beginning. We're going for it and saying yes to life. We wish each other the best, much prosperity and peace. Grateful for the past, looking forward to the new year. A new beginning with new opportunities to make something of it. The past is behind us, and the future is smiling. Let's make something of it, of a new year. Happy thoughts in my head, that's how I step into the new year. End of being